This conference
Radhakrishna, are
will
you there?
now be recorded.
You are Radhakrishna, can you able to hear me?
Yes, sir. It's audible.
Yes. Everybody can see how to generate access key. There is in Google you can download SAP R3 key generator. So now I am connecting your user. Password ఏంటి పెద్దది పెట్టావు. So now when you create a object, like for example you want to create a table. Okay. It is asking access key. How to get this access key? There is one SAP R3 software is there. I will show you. I will send to everyone today. In future, if you had any problem, you can generate access key. There is one SAP R3 generator software is there. In that you can see there is one exe file. If you double click on this, it will show a screen to generate access key. First it will ask access key license number. You can see the installation number of our Technopad server. So I can provide that license number here. After that, username, it should be capital letters, Radhakrishna, and we have to select SAP version SAP ECC 8.0. And once you click on developer button, you can see very clearly access key generated in the result. You have to copy that access key and provide that access key. So it will be enabled. Done. Comfortable. So now you can start creations. I'm exiting Radhakrishna. You log in chesukochu. You can do it. Done. So this is the way we can generate the access key for you. Any questions? One second, please. Yes. So last class what I taught yesterday, what we covered, Sidhu, in Japan, last class what we discussed.
Sir, ఇది సెకండ్ సార్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ ఏమంటారు దీని పేరేంటి
Did I explain?
కోడ్ రాసాం సార్ ఏమంటే డిస్ప్లే చేసే కోడ్ ఒకటి ఇన్పుట్ ఇచ్చే యూజర్ ఇన్పుట్ ఇచ్చే కోడ్ ఒకటి
ఓకే యూజర్ ఇన్పుట్ ఇచ్చి క్యాలిక్యులేషన్స్ ఎలా చేస్తాను చూపించాను కదా,
క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ చేసేది. ఎస్ సార్ పారామీటర్స్ నుంచి క్యాలిక్యులేషన్.
డేటా డిక్లరేషన్ ఒకటైనా సమ్ ఆఫ్ టూ వేరియబుల్స్ ఒకటి చెప్పారు సార్.
Yeah, that's right.
అదే సార్.
Did I explain payroll information calculation? No.
నో సార్.
నో సార్.
So let us go for executable program. We will accept a parameter variable. Accept parameter variable. That means accept basic salary. Parameter variable. Okay. Once user submit. Okay. Calculate HRA, PF, and gross salary. Or I can say net salary. And display the employee payroll information. So in this program, you will understand the calculation part. So how can you calculate by using this data session, by using this parameter here? Okay. Yeah, please note these points. Note this program. Copied everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So let us see what in this program you will understand what is the difference between parameters and data. Okay. What is the input level at parameters? What is internal calculations at data session? We can see that. This program is employee information, employee payroll information. Always we should practice program type is executable. So first I have to input basic salary. I can mention parameters. Basic type P obligatory I'm giving. So here the P is the pattern number. Why we are using? Because more than 32,000 value we can use this. Okay. The basic is the input salary here. P is more than 30,000 you can enter. This is the input I can write comment for the. And how to calculate? We have declared calculation is an internal process. So whatever internally you want to declare, that should be always data here. Data followed by column. Okay. Here we'll mention HR type P, PF type P, and net sal type P. So now how to calculate? Here I'm writing HRA is 15% of basic salary. Then how do you calculate? HRA equal to whatever you entered your basic salary star. Okay. Here 15% we can write as 0.15, but you cannot write because in every above is a dot, is the end of statement. So it will treat that this HRA equal to basic star 0.15. After dot, it is feeling end of the statement. It is saying what is 15. Is eliminating. So we cannot give like this 0.15 per calculation. What we'll do, arithmetic operations we have to do slash divided by 100. Like this we should calculate. Similarly, I want to calculate PF. So this is a 3% of basic salary. Okay, here I'll mention PF equal to basic star. Okay, 0.3 we cannot write 3 divided by 100. Now I want to calculate net salary. So net salary code I'll mention net sal is equal to basic star. Okay, basic plus HRA minus PF. You know, like whenever you calculate before after operator, you should give one space before and after operator. Okay, good. Like this we can calculate. Then I want to display the payroll information. So write colon slash. Okay, I'm showing employee payroll information. Is a text message. So write colon slash 5. I'll print basic salary. And 25th position, I'm going to print, okay, the basic. So 4, now comma, I'm giving again slash 5. It turns the output into rest line. So I can continue after comma. I'll type like this. I'm not giving one more right in the continuation. Slash 5 means terminates next line. Again HRA, house rent. So I'll show message as like this, house rent, comma 25 and HRA. And here I may specify color, comma again slash 5. Okay, PF, Provident Fund, comma 25. And I'll mention as a PF color 4, comma slash 5. I'll mention as a net salary here. And 25. And here I'll mention net sal is NAT sal, color 3 I'll mention here. So like this I can specify applying options here. In this program you are understanding the difference between parameters and data. Parameters is a client-side process, data is an internal process. It calculates and gives you information. Okay. Some error is coming. Obligatory spelling mistake. I typed obligatory. I given as C instead of G. Okay. So no errors. Activate. And F8. You can see that output. Now I am entering 95,500 is the basic salary. When you press F8, you can see 1,06,000. So HRA is 14,000 and PF is 2,000 and net salary is 106. So like this we can use to apply the code here. Good. So copy this. I'll give you in the notepad. You can copy it. Yeah, not this foreground. Everyone.
Completed, sir.
Copied everyone.
No, sir, expanding. Completed, sir.
Very good. Okay. So like this we can do by using a calculations process. I'll give one exercise and go through that. So note this exercise. Executable accept student 4 semester marks sem 1, sem 2, sem 3, sem 4 with parameter variables. Okay, once user submit, calculate. Okay, total marks and percentage. Total marks and ఏంటి? Total marks means
Sum of sum of marks, sir.
yes. You can write like this:
Sir,
sem 1 plus
నేను ఇచ్చా సార్
sem
ఎక్సైజ్.
2. Yes.
Sir,
Did I given
నేను
this?
ఇచ్చారు.
Then it's
Yes,
an
Sir,
sir.
exercise. Okay, done. Yeah. I'll give one more exercise. Try this. So executable. Accept material information, material number, and material name on quantity, unit rate, parameter variables. Once user submit, calculate amount is quantity star and unit rate. Show complete material information with amount. Information with amount. So try this exercise.
completed, sir.
Okay, good. Coming to the next, whenever you go for a control commands, before that we should know there is a system field variables. What are these system field variables? Whenever you write some program, you want to know background process status, what's happening, whether my command is executed or not, I want to see. So it performs, it is a predefined, okay, ABAP variables support by SAP. When SAP program executes, get okay some background process status information. Okay, understanding. So these system field variables designed with structure, components, runtime, okay, returns information, process status information. There's some important are there. Let us see. SY hyphen E to M, it shows server system date. SY hyphen Timlo, it shows server system time. sy hyphen subrc shows command execution status. Okay, return 0 if it is success. 4 means fail. And sy hyphen ucom, and it shows a function code for event selection. Okay, understanding of a GUI screen. Of screen fields selection, of GUI status, of menu, of menu options selection. These are all things we can see. Suppose you have written a program, there is a screen design. User is entering, we don't know what is entered, which button he clicked. These are all things you want to know. SY-UCOM will tell you. And SY-UNAME, it shows current program accessed username. The next SY-T code, it shows current program executed transaction code. Transaction code we processed. Now we are firing our program in SE38. It will tell you SE38. SY-index generates a index sequence number with repeative control loop process. Repeat to control loop process. SY-PAG envo, it generates the page number for report output of number of pages generated. These are all things we can use applying this concept. Okay. Yeah, please note these points. Copy it, everyone.
1 minute, sir.
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Okay. Let us see one program about this, how the program will work out, how it is showing the information background status. Let's go. This is the system fields variables information. Okay. So I'm going to display system date and time. So sy-dutm and sy-timlo. This is system date and time. And I want to see the current program accessed username. Right colon slash find sy-uname. Again, the current program executed transaction code. Transaction code it is executing. And sy-t code. Okay. So like this, when you run the program, you can see that command status, these all things we can see while working database programming, some server-side logic process. We can see all these things. So when you press F8, see that it is showing system date and time. Current user is Sensei, and you are executed this program in the transaction code SC38. So like that, you can see the information about system field variables. Okay, fine, good. So please note this system field variables. Copy this code.
Completed, sir.
Okay. Copied everyone? Radhakrishna copied?
Yes, sir. Copied, sir.
Okay. So that's enough for today's session. Next session Monday, we will sit for control commands, control structures. We'll do it a lot of examples to practice. Okay. Shortly, I will merge some other 5 members in your batch. Don't worry. Then you'll use a full-fledged batch. Then after some time, I'll change your times 11 to 12 also, if possible. Okay.
Yes.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you,
Then
sir.
go through practice. I already sent the material to everyone. Go through the material, please. Okay. Have a good day. Happy Republic Day. See you
Thank you,
on
sir.
Monday, 12 o'clock. Okay. Then bye.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.